Okay, so your next question is what fruit do I hate? What fruit do I hate in the entire world?
What fruit?
Fruit do I hate?
Fruits do
I hate. I absolutely hate. I think probably have a same.
Me love me no years.
Alright.
I don't know how I know yours.
You're supposed to know mine. You're freaking on me. Wait, one thing you never see me eat it.
Where eat?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Thinking done. You're supposed to know this.
Okay, it's a wild guess. Let me guess.
While
Because I don't.
it's a one thing where even surgeon know. She's surgeon know this period.
Because I honestly I don't know.
Alright then.
What if it's the same thing as me?
We don't know. We'll see.
I'm gonna go out and I live.
We know the same
and I'm
thing.
gonna guess.
You never see me eat this in my life. You never ever see me eat this in my life.
Okay, I'm gonna go out on a limb and probably we don't eat the same thing.
1, 2, 3. Watermelon. Okay, good.
Okay,
You
and
see
what's
from-
mine?
Watermelon.
So we don't eat the same thing, same like this, see it?
Oh,
Watermelon.
Crush okay. Oh, let me smell you. You spell it right. I see you spell. Let me see you spell it. Really? Let me spell 1D. Watermelon.
Disgusting. No powder. Fee.
Yeah, we'll have to get box now.
Yeah.
What is my dream vehicle that I will want? You're supposed to know this.
Our dream vehicle. So
No, so I don't know. I'm asking the question. I not even know.
exactly. She's only thinking about herself and she's not thinking if she know mine. So I more likely I know hers. I don't think she know mine either. So I'm gonna write my dream vehicle. Hey, she don't know. I'm not giving her no hints. She love put question for only herself. That would well her.
No, Jesus.
Feel like one box are coming on.
I feel so too. Because I have no idea. Not even the slightest idea I have.
Hey.
Let me get back to so, yeah, man. Make your mother. Let me get back to so.
Okay. Are you ready to rumble? Go ahead. Want me to say yours?
Say mine first.
Your dream vehicle is a Jeep. And basically a Jeep Wrangler. At that.
No, I never say.
But
okay.
a Jeep. Her dream vehicle is a Jeep.
Which is true.
And what's mine?
Yours is, honestly, I have no idea. Let me try to figure out.
What's mine?
BMW. That's how I go to
box.
But there's a go 5 baht off my
Box. My dream vehicle is actually a Range Rover. So she got that wrong.
Really?
I don't like BMWs.
I just guess. Honestly, I guess me guess.
It's
actually
actually
a Range
a
Rover
Range
too. Me I change my answer for Range Rover.
It's actually
a Range Rover. So you talk about.
It's actually no. It's Jeep right on it.
No.
I have my Range Rover.
A Range Rover.
So
change mine.
you can't change it. It's already
CRV. Any CRV car,
No.
Jeep can have one CRV look a bit ish.
That's why we have the paper. Can you see the cheating? So mine is actually a Range Rover.
Box.
Hers. So you know, say it's a nice box again. So hey, let me pour out my hand there. Hey. Yes. Come good with the face.
Nobody do it hot, you know. Just do it nice.
You can't tell me to do
When you
face
put,
man.
me not set nothing, no. So when you put on makeup, I don't make it go on my nose. Ready?
Come now.
Turn one. You never did turn for me.
You want to put your nose then?
She said no, I was sneezing, no.
So turn up your
You nah turn.
Turn the other
Just
cheek.
do it and get your voice.
Turn the other cheek.
No. Just do it. You know me nose are catch me. Just do it. Me a twitch.
Turn the other cheek.
No, me I don't want I'm ready.
Watch out.
Let's do it, you know, girl.
Watch out. You watch her now.
She said, let's come, man.
One. Alright, make a guess some, you know.
Alright.
Heads up. One.
Blow smaller to the hand.
No.
Alright, ready. Now give me the heads up. I bet you just do it unexpected.
They move it on now.
Man,
If
move.
you block the shot in a 2 box, like, you know.
What? We never got it. We never. We never fit to the rule. We don't do it on the table for me. Don't do it on your for me. Sure. Okay, you so long. Sure. And give me high blood pressure. Give me high blood pressure.
Hey, next question.
Alright, next color of my eyes. Don't even look on them.
What? Me not looking in your eyes, darling.
Okay, ready? I'm ready.
You know, so there's something unfairness. Me not looking in your eyes.
I think this one is easy. I was supposed to know. 1, 2, 3.
Brown. What other color you gonna have?
I
can't pink, can't blue. What other color?
Right, next question, quick.
Go.
What's my first phone?
Me. We get a question from what's your what?
First phone. The first phone we ever have.
The first phone
I not
you
remember
ever
myself.
have.
I can't answer the question because I not remember myself. What's the first thing I do in the morning when I wake up?
Alright, like, what do you mean first thing? Like, when you open your eyes or when you, like, get out of bed? Which one?
Me and you do the same thing when we wake up first thing in the morning. So, no sense to
Like,
write the
we
same
get
thing.
up
I will check my phone.
We check.
That's
No,
it.
me pray first. I don't know about she, but me pray.
You pray?
Every morning.
I don't know about that.
The first thing, when I wake up, I say a prayer in the morning. Whether it's a short prayer or a long prayer, you know, I thank God for waking me up. You know, ask for coverage for my family and my loved ones, my friends. And just the strength to go on to the next day. That's it. And the entire day. That's what I do.
Unfortunately, the first thing I do when I come and check my phone and then go up on a call first.
The first thing I do, I know.
I'm trying to run a full tomorrow because I know what first thing you do when you come morning time make it to bed.
You don't know nothing.
I know.
Enough time in the morning, I'm up here sleeping. So you don't know.
But majority of the time. But remember, say most time I wake up before you and then I stop, you know.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Brush my teeth.
I do 1, 2, 3. Shower.
Yeah. So basically,
First thing I do a shower.
But you don't realize me say my answer, I'm supposed to say your answer. But I wear the planker.
Exactly. They say that's where you go wrong again.
Why? I say my answer and I'm supposed to say yours.
So don't me wrong, are you wrong?
But I still get yours right. Every morning she get up, she take a shower. But
first
me,
thing I do, yeah.
I get up, the first thing I do is brush my teeth.
Both will get that one there now.
Start my day. Yeah, we get
We
both.
just say we get that one there. We don't want no more box tonight. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Well, what's my favorite social media app?
Oh, I know that. Me no fear. I don't think she know mine. Go ahead, write yours.
Really?
Remember, I know 5 seconds.
My favorite social media. What art? Which one do you use the most then?
Oh, I'm gonna tell you. You go ahead. You ready? Let's go.
I write 2 of them. I just write 2 of them.
See, it's like she's sorry for me. She won't in a box. Well, better for me.
Well, for you, I know which one to use the most.
Alright. One that she used is Messenger.
Okay.
She used the most because she talked to her
Fifi.
boo on Messenger. So
she use WhatsApp with him sometimes.
Yeah, but she used that one the most.
Yeah, because
so
used to it. So I'm right, and I'm right. TikTok or Messenger.
And then TikTok or fear.
TikTok or
Messenger.
and
follow her on TikTok.
No follow me on TikTok. Now see some crazy things.
Yes. Okay, so
alright, what feel now? Me see one.
Guess.
Me never see it a while ago.
Guess.
I swear me never see it.
Yes.
One. Me feel like Skype.
No. I don't use Skype. I only use Skype at night.
Can you get my next guess?
No, you don't get it wrong. A box that for you. Why me not want to
Snapchat. Not Snapchat. Sorry. WhatsApp.
No. I use Instagram.
I use Instagram.
I don't post on it, but I love to, go on pink one.
Just give me
go on pink one because there's to be a please go on. So.
Instagram that's the first thing on Instagram that's the first.
You know
when freak me about damn like people use Skype nowadays again.
You see my face bright? Yes it is.
People nothing can recognize me.
Me love a game here. Me love a game here. Come no man. Comfy box man. Just come now.
I'm upset. But jeez.
See, as she move, you know? As she move. Like,
I'm here. You box me now, girl.
as she move, she move. Sorry, but not sorry.
So by the time I can't recognize me when I down to backside.
Ooh. Me tell you, she should go.
At least you don't touch me so hot still. I just see me in my ear. It is okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next
Next
question.
question.
We have basically how much questions? Three more
questions. And that's a wrap. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, what's my favorite TV show?
Favorite all-time TV show?
Me feel like say you get it wrong. You know why? Because I feel like I get it wrong. And if Sir Jem is watching this video, we know when me say my answer, she will know it. Alright.
One. Say mine.
May I say yours and then you say mine?
Yeah, say mine.
1, 2, 3. Grey's Anatomy.
She got that right.
Grey's Anatomy?
Yes, that's my all-time favorite TV show.
Wow.
And her favorite TV show is Friends.
What friggin' Friends? I love Friends, yes, but my all-time favorite TV show is not that.
What's your all-time favorite TV show?
How I Met Your Mother. Me watch that over and over and over again.
You know, so I'm not Friends. I'm not like, oh, I Met Your Mother. Yes.
How I Met Your Mother.
I'm not like, yeah, I true.
Bang, 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 bang.
I true.
How I Met Your Mother. That's my all-time favorite TV show. So who's gonna get a box down? 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 Ready. Ready?
Calm down yourself, no, man. Calm down, no.
Calm down your nerves.
Calm down
Come
yourself,
on, ready, man.
Calm down, no. You come like, you move like say I'm a Nico.
Don't hold man, no. Don't hold man.
Oh, you move like say Nico mash up your life.
Nico, you mash up my life.
You come like Nico mash
help me. Listen, that's a bum.
You come like Nico mash up your life, you get move, so.
I'm ready, man. Remember, make me calm.
You must have to do it, man. Somebody give you nice right here, so you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You have to give me cut, you can't back so
Alright, man, alright, I'm ready.
Yanique,
just plug your hand in the man.
You
cannot block it. If you block it, you get a second one, okay?
No, listen. My mama give you, never give.
That's what I do now, must I turn it up?
I say, me give you soft. You can't put just.
Yeah, man, get soft.
Put it up on my face, but I do it. Just take your time.
Alright, take your time. It's a one like line. Take it easy. Boom, boom, cheesy. Alright, I'm ready.
Okay. That one, yeah.
Come on, away, put it on.
Yeah, one man like a chin me diaper.
Come ready.
Yeah, stop.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it on. Like a pen, can make you with that.
Just get it over. And just.
I say, even if you don't talk shit, you start twitch it. More twitch. Want to talk twitch? Come. Ready?
So what one now?
I'm not holding. Ready? Put on your hand, eh? You can't have your hand up.
Alright. Wait, no, me, my face go meet.
Oh my god. I can't come meet me halfway. You're so generous. Oh my god.
No, seriously, me want my face go meet it and halfway.
Alright, make me come. Me I'll wait for you. The one the nice. You're nice and bad. The one the nice. Me like it.
Wickedness, you know?
Me like the one there.
Hey, look there. No, sir.
I feel like I'll get the one wrong still.
Oh, do I two more? No, man, I can't take another box. I can't take another box. Hey.
I feel like I'll get the one wrong, alright?
It's like she take out all our childhood grudge them panning box here, no?
The one that feel good. You know, connect so good, but it connect more better than the other one them.
Listen, ask a question, can right now a box of
favorite song. What's our favorite song? What's my favorite song?
Love.
Hear it, you just bring back memories.
My
and
all-time favorite song is
oh, favorite song now, dear Jesus.
Okay, you ready? Wanna guess mine?
Me I try to remember my name.
Your favorite song is the song you always play every morning. Which song go?
Me know for sure say that wrong. Let me tell you, say, me know say take us me say that wrong. Me like it, yes, I listen to it every morning.
Okay, so what's your favorite song?
Okay,
song. Wrong. What's your favorite song?
I won't give up on us.
I won't give up. Never know that. That a board song there?
I love it because it has sentimental
values to her. What
you give me is that it's very like it's something that like me have a reason why I like it. And you understand?
Okay, so what's mine?
It is this is a ringtone.
Shensia?
Shensia. Jim Americans.
No. My ringtone, I like it because I don't even know why.
Yeah,
I just put it in.
And I'm myself. Unless
No,
that's
not my, yeah, but that's not my favorite song.
Let me see.
My all-time favorite song is Home by Brian McKnight.
Shit.
That's my all-time favorite song.
Yeah, me know
So
that.
I gotta find my way. I can sing it, but that's my all-time favorite song.
Yeah, get box.
Hey, why am I take my box first? Me can't, madam.
No, give me my box last.
That's what I'm saying. Give me
No, give me box first. Me.
No, man.
Give me first.
No, sir. Give me.
No, give me. Oh, walk like whoever do this. I say give box first. Come, give my box first. Cause if my box ever hot, if my box ever hot.
So me, I suppose me give you your box now and me give stuff, and then you turn around give me hot. And then let me can give back same time.
Well, we'll see. That's why I
So I think I'm gonna get hot and well and done.
That's why I wait until last. Come on, already not say if we tell them to try to be kind still. Oh, some return it.
You see a move, come back right here.
Alright.
Come back right here, so.
You move it. Sneeze, wait, me gonna sneeze. Ready?
You come back, bring your fucking
Your face, the right ears.
Yeah, I the proud knock off on that, yeah.
Ready.
Me not do it,
I'm face nasty up.
that's not a box, you know?
I don't care. Oh, you want the box? Okay.
No.
You want the box?
That's not a box. You see?
And I want box.
I cheated, you know, because my face is supposed to have too much powder.
We have a match.
So we're gonna all win.
Obviously you win because you get more questions than me.
But look there.
We have a match, man. Come. Ready.
Last question.
Alright, last and final
Last
question.
and final question.
Is
Alright.
my go-to outfit.
Me know I go to outfit.
What?
What's mine? Let me see. Me done. 5, 4, 3.
I think I'm me, I'll get around.
1. You're done. Right, no more.
Ready.
You're supposed to do it to your ear that to tell me. Done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jeans and no shit, my fluffy one, sorry.
Hey. Go say mine.
No.
Me no fear jeans and sweater.
What damn sweater?
Blouse or whatever I want be. Jeans out with whatever I want be. Big whatever top or whatever I want be. Or if I don't jeans or joggers or something. That's how your go-to outfit.
Okay, whatever.
Mine right.
Your go-to outfit is yellow dress. Sometimes you say more than one thing. You like dress and you love jeans. You also love jeans.
Sure right. So nobody now get no box.
Oh, you're right. Dress. Yes.
Yeah, that's my go-to outfit. I love dress. Like simple hydral dress.
Who wins?
Me win.
I'm you win.
Look on you. Compared to me.
But you're gonna answer them still.
So I guess you know me better than I know myself, and you know me better than I know you.
Champion.
Thank you guys for watching. This is our video for this week. So enjoy. So what we want you to do right now is go down in the comments and tell us your favorite part of the video, and let us know if you enjoy this video so we can continue to give you more content like this, you know. I don't like the foolishness, you know. I don't like all of this. Good day, good day.
No man. Jesus,
so
don't subscribe, please. Now watch video man and not subscribe. But then just subscribe, man.
Subscribe. So get us to
Zan
subscribers. 1 0 0 0 subscribers. Get us there. So and just hit that notification bell so every time we post, so you don't miss.
But you can't take it serious. You don't pay for it, watch ya.
You can't
take it serious. Don't pay
take it serious. Yeah. Go ahead and subscribe. Not because it's put up on my face. Don't watch it. Go subscribe.
Okay.
And go ahead and like that video. And like the video before. And the video before. And comment on this video. And the video before. And the video before. And go ahead and watch this video. The one before. And one. Even if you watch already, we're gonna watch it again.
Yeah.
Keep
go on.
yourself entertained.
Yes.
So I really enjoy this video. It's really, really fun because I don't know if it's the fact that I like to box people, but I enjoy it. Yes. Yeah. I really enjoy it. I enjoy it, yeah.
You really ball?
I enjoy it. We can act down. She actually think I was crying. We're gonna see you next week with another exciting video. So until next week, we'll see you.